we have to download the EA and then implement it on or connected with our MT4 account. Though we will go in all the details in the next video that how we can implement the EA. In this tutorial, we will only download the Expert Advisor files and then put it on the locations or on the folders where it should be for to connect to our MT4. So once we receive this email, there are several links in the email. We have open tutorial page, download EA for MT4, and then open PDF guide. Also, we have some links to our support channels. So we will click on any of the link, open tutorial page or download MT4 EA. I'll click on download EA for MT4. We click on that. It will download it automatically, and you can see that we have a downloaded folder file in our downloads folder. But we can go through another way where you click on open the tutorial page in case the previous doesn't work. So we click on the thank you page in our email. We click on open tutorial page in the email we receive. And then we simply go here to the download algo file. See, we don't have the video for now because it's still we are working on the videos. So if we click on the download algo file, just click on it and we will have it downloaded. So I downloaded it twice because I click on the direct download link from the email. It was downloaded. And then I click on open the tutorial page. Open this page. And then here I click on the download algo file button and it's downloaded. So now if we go to our download folders, okay, so these are our two downloaded files which we download now. Any one of them, we will just right click on the file and then extract all. Okay, extract all, and then it will ask you for your desired destination where you want to extract the files. I'll just extract it to the same folders, to downloads folder, which is my downloads folder. I want the file here, the files. Extract, and then we will have something like this. A new folder appear. Now see, if you see these files which we downloaded from the website or from SmartEdge trading.net, those files are the compressed version or the zipped files. But this one is now our folder because we have extract the files. Now, when we open it, there is our SmartEdge EA ex4 file. So we will just copy this file and then we will go to our MetaTrader MT4. We have an account already connected. It's a trial account. So in the MetaTrader, we will click on File, and then we will click on Open Data Folder. In the data folder, we will click on MQL4. And then in MQL4, we will click on Experts. And here we will paste our algo file. Okay. Once we are done with that, we will close. And here, the Expert Advisor button in the on the main navigator, we will just right click and we will refresh. And then you can see that we have the SmartEdge client EA now here. And then we can drag it to our charts, but that will be in the next video. We will discuss in details how to implement and how to connect the EA to it on the trading chart, and so it can start the auto trade for us. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next video, and we will discuss more things. Thank you.